Game number 5, New York Knicks versus Indiana Pacers. Ang serye ay tie sa 2-all. NBA Eastern Conference Semifinal Round. Ang first half ay nagtapos sa 30-38. Halftime score, 69-54. Lumubo na ang lamang ng 21 points pagkatapos ng third quarter, 96-75.
Carl Lane is the alternate, and it'll be the Pacers that control the opening tip. Indiana will fall. And a blowout win in Game 4. They get the first basket of the night as Aaron Nesmith.
Outscored for the series by Indiana.
Deuce McBride. Talbot looks to McConnell back there, and again McConnell hits it. Gives it up. Hartenstein, a little push shot. That's his first one.
The Knicks have 7 offensive rebounds. Indiana has 3 defensive.
Racing out and he hammers it down. It's in his eyes, they say. Siakam lays it. Right. Hits a 3. That did not work out. Races afraid and I burst. He's got it.
Magkakaroon na ng game number 6 na lalaroin sa Indiana. Tambak ng 30 points. Panalo ang New York Knicks. 121-91. Bandirang tapos ang nangyari.